In this video, I will show you how simple it is to replace a battery on the Blink Doorbell. Before you start, you will need the tool that came with the doorbell, but don't worry if you can't find it. I will also show you how to remove the battery using a screwdriver. You can also find spare tools on Amazon. The first thing you need to do is take the tool and push the clip on the bottom of the doorbell. Once the clip is pushed in, you can pull the doorbell from the bottom and it will unmount from the wall. Here are a few more angles to help you see what you need to do. If you have lost the tool, you can use a flat-headed screwdriver to push the clip and unmount the doorbell. Once the doorbell has been unmounted, you should press the grey clip on the back of the doorbell to remove the battery housing. You will now be able to replace the batteries. Once the batteries have been replaced, you should clip the battery housing back in place. You can then remount the camera. You should give it a firm push and it should click in place. If you're struggling, you can also press the clip using a tool to mount the camera. If you have an Echo Studio, make sure you check out my video where I show you how to get the Echo Show to automatically show you the camera feed when someone presses the doorbell. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have, don't forget to like the video and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.